Backhoe loader is efficient for excavation and loading. Standardized operation ensures efficiency and safety. Let's learn the standardized operating procedures. Pre-entry inspection is crucial. Check if the tire pressure is normal. Whether there are any damages. Check all work lights turn signals. If reverse alarm is effective. Clear debris outside the cab to ensure clear visibility. Open engine compartment. Make sure engine oil level is within the marked range. With the engine cooled, open the radiator filler cap. Check antifreeze coolant. The level should be visible. Add antifreeze coolant if insufficient. Check brake fluid level must be between upper and lower marks. Check for discoloration or deterioration. Replace if present. Inspect the air filter element. Clean and maintain the element regularly according to working conditions. The first thing upon entering the cab, fasten your seat belt. Adjust the rearview mirror. Ensure an unobstructed view of the surrounding area. This is the engine coolant temperature gauge. This is the transmission oil temperature gauge. This is the R meter. This is the tachometer. This is the fuel level gauge. This is the radio. This is the sun visor retracted by pulling the cord. Adjust the steering wheel for an aft position. This is the foot brake pedal. Open the pedal connecting plate to enable left or right individual braking. This is the accelerator pedal. This is the parking brake, pull up to engage. Push down to release the brake. This is the RWD-CWD selector switch. This is the hazard warning flasher switch. This is the vehicle lighting switch. Push down for high beam. Push forward for left turn signal. Push backward for right turn signal. This is the wiper activation switch. This is the washer fluid switch. This is the washer fluid reservoir. This is the starter. Turn on the power first, then crank the engine. This is the hand throttle, use it to adjust engine speed. This is the AC switch with settings 1, 2, and 3. This is the heating, cooling selector switch. This is the temperature control knob. This is the recirculation, fresh air switch. This is the gear shift lever, neutral in the middle. Push forward for forward gear. Push backward for reverse gear. Both forward and reverse have for gears to adjust vehicle speed. When shifting, press the red clutch button with your thumb. After engaging reverse, the backup camera activates to check rear safety. This is the differential lock switch. This is the rear work light. This is the rear wiper switch. This is the beacon switch. Armrest adjustment. Backrest adjustment. For aft adjustment. Seat suspension adjustment. Seat rotation. This is the reading light switch. This is the loader control lever, pull back to raise the boom. Push forward to lower the boom. Push left to curl the bucket. Push right to dump the bucket. Hold the side buttons. Pull backward while pushing upward to open the rear window. Hold the side buttons. Pull downward while pushing forward to close the rear window. Side window opening. Half open. Side window fully open. These are the left and right outrigger levers. Push forward to extend the outriggers. Pull backward to retract the outriggers. This is the boom lock cable handle. Reserve pedal for telescopic or breaker. This is the fore-aft adjustment handle for joystick. For excavation, push the right joystick forward to lower the boom. Pull the right joystick backward to raise the boom. Push the right joystick left to curl the bucket. Push the right joystick right to dump the bucket. Push the left joystick forward to open the arm. Pull the left joystick backward to retract the arm. Push the left joystick left to swing the boom left. Push the left joystick right to swing the boom right. After retracting the boom, engage the lock. Stop the backhoe loader. Then apply the handbrake. Then turn off the engine. Then remove the key. Routine inspection. This is the hydraulic tank. Hydraulic oil level should be over the mark. After the backhoe is shut down, the battery master switch must be turned to positioning. During daily maintenance, battery indicator should be green. The fuel tank is on the right side. Fuel level is displayed on the dashboard via the oil level sensor. Electrical checks are performed via the central control box. Regularly check the vehicle air pressure. This is the transmission oil fill port. Drive axle fluid check when the arrow on the front drive axle side is parallel to the. For the rear drive axle, do the same when its arrow is parallel to the ground. Check the fluid level of the center main reduction gear. All pin joint positions. Joints require greasing every shift. Please operate safely and legally. Thanks for watching.